In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Worldfirst account. Let's walk through the process together so you know exactly what to expect and how to get it done smoothly. Start by opening your web browser and searching for www.worldfirst.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign Up button and click it to begin your application. You'll be asked to choose the option that best fits your business. This helps tailor the setup to your needs. Read the descriptions carefully. Select the one that matches how you operate and then click Get Started to continue. Next, select the country where your business is legally based and confirm that choice. This determines the regulatory requirements and the information you'll be asked to provide. So choose accurately. You'll now register using your email address and mobile number. Use an email you check regularly and a phone number you can access, since these will be used for important notifications and security checks. Create a secure password you can remember and keep your login details safe. After that, move on to Verify Business. Enter your company details exactly as they appear on official records, including the registered business name and the registration number. Consistency matters here. Small mismatches can delay approval. If your business has a trading name that differs from the registered name, make sure the registered information is correct wherever it's requested. Next is identity verification for directors and ultimate beneficial owners, often called UBOs. UBOs are the individuals who ultimately own or control the business. Each required person will need to complete identity verification. Have government-issued identification ready and ensure the information you submit matches what's on your business documents. Finally, you'll be asked for documentation for approval. Submit any requested documents, such as recent bank statements or a certificate of incorporation. Provide clear, complete, and legible copies. Avoid cropping edges or obscuring details. If you are uploading scans or photos, good lighting and a flat surface help ensure everything is readable. Once submitted, approval typically takes up to 2 working days. Keep an eye on your email in case the team needs clarification or an additional document to finalize your application. That's it. Thanks for watching.